Totoo. Paano po nagsimula yung pagiging in tune niyo sa intuition niyo? Like bata pa lang highly intuitive na
Yes.
talaga?
Yes. I remember when I was in grade school, when I think about key, I don't know bakit laging parang may nagsasabi ng key. In the middle of the field, I will get a key. And then there was one time I was thinking of balloon. And then when I look up, maraming balloon.
Opo.
So ganon. That's how I describe it nung grade school ako.
Talagang ano po 'no, ano po talaga ano yung
Kailangan in tune ka lang. Because I'm not
Opo.
a very noisy child.
gano'n po.
Very prayerful. Kasi you can find answers in silence eh.
Totoo po 'yun.
Kaya tinuturuan ng tao magdasal.
Opo.
So that you'll be trained to be quiet. And now, in other terms, we call that meditation.
Meditation po. Ako naman more into meditation
Yeah,
po
so
ako.
it's the same.
Gets.
On a different level.
Opo. It's technically it's just tuning in and listening.
Yes,
Opo.
and you cannot find that externally. Let's say if
Opo.
you have a problem and you go to your friends, you go listen to something or watch something, hindi mo makukuha. May lead lang kaunti, pero hindi ka magiging sigurado kung yun yung sagot eh. Baka
Totoo po yun.
maligaw ka eh. But if you stay put, you pray or you meditate, you will be guided. Malalaman mo. And then kung nahihirapan ka naman, that's why may mga practitioners to facilitate,
Opo.
to guide you. Those professional na, marami ng shifters ngayon eh.
Opo.
Meaning, mga professional sila but they're learning na how to do this energetic ways
Opo.
para to help other people.
Kunyari po yung body of kasi yung hindi ko po alam na meron palang mga ganong trainings po na about energies and all. Paano po nagsimula yung theory doon and paano yung structure nung system doon?
Downloaded din. Nagtatrans sila.
Opo.
Tapos na-convert nila, usually from America eh, marami.
Opo.
Tapos nagiging libro. Tapos nagkaka-structure.
Opo.
Dina-download. That's how we call it. It is downloaded to you.
Downloaded, no? Opo.
Na parang, I don't know if it's through meditation na nakukuha nila yung structure. Lahat naman actually, I feel that na lahat ng nakikita mo now
Opo.
around us is just downloaded. Even
Opo.
science is downloaded. Ginagamit yung mga inventor, creator to come up with something and share it to humanity.
Totoo po. Ganyan nga po yung view ko sa creativity, na yung ideas, na para lang tayo mga antena.
China-channel sa atin.
Opo, na parang si universe may ini-intend ng mangyari.
Yes.
Tapos nagkataon na ikaw yung gusto niyang gamiting vessel para mangyari
Correct.
yung bagay na yun. Tapos kailangan mo lang makinig para isabuhay yun.
And that's why you have to take care of the body aspect.
Totoo, yun nga po.
Because if that's not healthy, how can you receive? And everything is about receiving. Even money, even relationship, even career. It's about receiving. Paano kung cluttered?
Totoo.
How can you receive?
Opo. Parang ang ano ko po dyan yung monkey brain na kadalasan po kasi sobrang preoccupied yung utak natin.
Most of the time.
Opo.
You know why? 98% of what you think you have is not yours.
Opo.
It's just implanted. You think you're sad, baka hindi ikaw. Baka someone in your house. You think you're depressed, baka hindi ikaw. Kasi 98% na-capture mo lang.
Energetically, no?
Oh yeah, oo.